while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about this eyeshadow makeup look I did out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. So I hope you guys enjoy. Right now I'm using the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I got it at Walmart. I think it was like $3. So yes, I'm going to apply this on my eyelids before I put my eyeshadow on. This helps keep your eyeshadow on all day without creasing or anything. So yeah, it's really good. So I'm just patting that in my eyelids. You can use a brush as well, but I like my fingers better because it just melts like into your skin better that way. This is just what I like to do. And now I'm going to show you my Renaissance palette. This is the modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going in with the color Burnt Orange. I just use this as my transition color on my eyelid. Well, in my crease, I should say. Yeah, I just put this in my crease. I do the windshield wiper movement with my blending brush. I got this blending brush at Walmart as well, but it was like I think a year ago. And it was like, it came in a set for $10. If you just starting off your makeup and you don't want to, buy anything that expensive, I suggest you go to Walmart or Target. They got some really good brushes there for a really good price. Now I'm going in with the color Regular in this palette. That's the second shade I'm going to be using. I'm gonna apply this in my crease, just like the first eyeshadow. Just back and forth like a windshield wiper. You just want to blend both of the eyeshadows in to make it look, blended. And that's what I'm doing right now. Just to make sure everything is blended. Now I'm going in with the Venetine Red. And I'm going to be applying just a little bit of this. I don't want it to be looking all that red, or to me it looked burgundy, but I don't want it to look that much burgundy, so I'm just gonna be just blending it in. That's why I added the two shades that I added before. I just want to look like like that burnt red look, but a light burnt red, as you can see. So now I'm going to be taking my flat brush, and I'm going to be applying Vimber on my eyelid. Just applying that on in the middle first, and then I'm gonna be going back and forth with it. Just apply as much as you want. I'm just applying this on my eyelid, and I'm gonna be blending it out. I think this color is so pretty. I love this color, and I love this look for like my to-go look. If I want to go to a store, or just to run errands, just want to look pretty that day. I just want to wear this look. I mean, you can go a little bit more natural, but this is something I just like to do, just to look a little bit more glam. Right now I'm just taking my blending brush and just blending it on out right now, just so the white won't get into my crease. And now I'm going in with the color Tempera, and I'm going to be putting that underneath my my eyebrows. This is a really pretty palette. When I say I love this palette, I love it. I got this palette last year, and I just couldn't stop using it. And it says it's good for fall looks, which it is. I'm not gonna lie, it is a fall palette, but I use it all year round. Like you can make it happen with these colors, and I just love it. It's so pretty. And right now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. This is a really good eyeliner. If I don't use this, then I'm using the e.l.f. one, but this is really good. I got it also at Walmart. I think this was like $2.99. It's so good. I love the way it dries. It dries matte, and it just applies really good. This is the best one for me. It's very easy to apply. I just love it. If you're just starting out as well, I recommend you get this one. It's very easy. And right now I'm just going to be doing a little wing look for you guys today. So I really couldn't show it on this side, but I will be showing it when I do the other eye, how I do it. And yeah, I'm just applying that. I don't wanna miss a beat. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Mascara in the shade Black. I love this mascara. I go through a lot of mascaras just to try them out and see which one is, you know, fits me. But this one I love. This one is very good. It makes my eyelashes very full, and I love that. So yeah, I recommend this one too. This is really good. Love, love, love this one. Now I'm just blending and making sure that my crease is blended. Now I'm going in the shade, I think Veteran Red and Regular. I'm going in with those two. I'm just going to mix these two up, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. I'm just going to be putting this under there. This is so pretty. This is just to balance out the eyeshadow look that I'm doing. At first, when I first tried this, like, for some reason, I'm like, my eyes just water every time I touch my lower lash line. I don't know why, but I got used to it. So yeah, I never used to do this before, but once I tried it, it just made the whole look tie together. So I love just putting the eyeshadow, whatever I put in my crease, I put under my on my lower lash line, and it just makes the look just more blended. So right now I'm using, the lashes I'm using today is called Sultry_A from the brand Kiss. I also got this at Walmart for $5, and I'm using the Duo liquid eyeshadow, and it's so eyeshadow glue, and it's really good. It's the only eyeshadow glue I use. It's so good. I use it in the color white. It dries up clear. You won't be able to see it. It's really good. So this is what I'm doing right now. If you never applied lashes before, just take it out the lash out the packet, and then just apply the glue. I'm using tweezers. That really helps me. A lot of people, you know, if you're used to it, then you don't need it, but I'm using tweezers. I just put the tweezers in the middle, and you need to let it dry. Let it get a little tacky for, just wait 30 seconds before you put it on your, just put the eyelash on. Just wait 30 seconds, and it should be ready for you to put it on. So when I put it on, I put it in the middle first, and then I go from the back. I make sure that it's fitted from the back to the front, and that's what makes it easier for me. As you can see, I put it on from the back, put it in the middle first, then from the back to the front, and then just make sure that it sticks down. So that's what makes it easier for me if you never put on lashes before. So I'm done with this eye, and this is how it looks so far. Right now the glue is drying, so that's why you see the white right there, but it's gonna dry clear, so don't worry. So right now I'm going to be fast forwarding this part. I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did to my other eye on this eye, the same exact thing. Just fast forward through it, so it won't be a long video. If you guys want to see like a full tutorial, like how I put on my foundation and what I use and my concealer and stuff, just let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. I'm not a professional whatsoever. I just started doing makeup I think like 2 years ago, and yeah, I love it. Like, I really love doing my makeup. I don't wear makeup every day either. I do not do that. It's just something just to enhance your looks, you know. Makeup do not make you, you know, doesn't define me. I just love to do it. It's like art to me. You know, you can make up any kind of look you want to do, you know. But yeah, if you guys want me to do another look, just let me know, and I would love to do that.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls.
Okay, so the lip gloss I'm going to be using is the NYX Natural Lip Gloss. It's in the, it says LG122. I got this at Target, and I just love this for, like, you know, my everyday lip gloss. I love this one, so this is what I'm using. And that'll be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like me to do more videos like this, I would love to do more. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.